I bought a skateboard. Apparently I'm 19 again. It is Wednesday, February 11th, 2026. I'm over 10 videos in to this 50 video challenge I've given myself, and I still can't get over how uncomfortable I am talking to a camera. I don't know how many hundreds of videos I gotta create before I feel somewhat natural, but today I am super excited. Something showed up that I purchased at the end of last year, one of these V1 Kickstarter products, kind of a newer concept in the space. It pulled at the heartstrings. I made an emotional purchase. Good Lord. There she is. I'm so excited. I feel like a little kid. A box within a box. All right, so this is the brand new Liquid Skateboard out of Copenhagen. It's an e-skateboard, but what makes it unique is that it's still kick to push. It has no remote. You kick to push up to speed and then put your foot on the back foot pad to maintain that speed. It's got a top speed, I think, of around 13 miles per hour. Its range is right around 12 kilometers or 7 miles. I'll put more specs in the description if I'm wrong on that. This is exactly the type of board I used to ride when I was in my late teens, taking public transportation. Can still ollie up over curbs, but it has these fat, beefy wheels for bad streets and just cruising a little extra fast. More of a commuter board that can get up curbs. It's hefty. It feels heavy. This is a nice build. Oh my God. This is so much nicer than I thought it would be. I mean, the finish, I almost don't want to jack it up. The artwork is so surfy. Look at that. This little foot pad right here, you just put your foot on it and it cruises at whatever speed you're currently at, whether you're on level ground, going uphill, downhill. Dude, this thing is way more polished than I thought it would be for like a Kickstarter V1 version. It's a perfect board for commuting. They knocked this design out of the park, for sure. Got to do the quintessential unboxing, right? Let's go ride it. First impression, I'm out of shape. Second impression, this thing is sick. Super flowy, trucks are dialed in. Feels you can really surf this thing. I'm gonna take it to somewhere a little more interesting.
It's just trying to find out who I really is and if I'm gonna make it out out in showbiz. Just trying to find out who I really is, and if I'm gonna make it out in showbiz. Just trying to find out who I really is, and if I'm gonna make it out in showbiz. Just trying to find out who I really is, and if I'm gonna make it out in showbiz. My mark on the culture is how I know I made it. Not looking for no accolades or even to be the greatest. Wanna kick my feet up in my mansion with my family lady, cause my destiny the devil tried but just couldn't take it. My mark on the culture is how I know I made it. Not looking for no accolades or even to be the greatest. Wanna kick my feet up in my mansion with my family lady, cause my destiny the devil tried but just couldn't take it. It's just trying to find out who I really is, and if I'm gonna make it out in showbiz. Just trying to find out who I really is, and if I'm gonna make it out in showbiz.
All right, let me try to give a first impression here of this deck, which is always tough with something brand new because you're just riding the excitement. One of the things that probably the biggest thing that attracted me to Liquid Skateboards was that it was designed and created by a skater, by a team of skaters, and you can tell. It is the flowiest EV device that I have yet tested. It's got these big fat urethane wheels on it. Goes over some of my roughest streets in the neighborhood. What's super cool about it is you're still using your own legs to kick for speed, and then you just put your foot on that pad and it coasts. And it feels like you're still skating. This board reminds me of the very skateboard I used to get around on all the time. It's lightweight, you can take it on a bus. It's that kind of like last mile device. So I think the question for a lot of people is gonna be, is it worth $5.99? That's a chunk of change for a skateboard. But for me, 100%. This thing is refined. You can tell it was designed by skaters. It's surfy, it's flowy, it's everything someone like me that loves board sports wants.